Hi, today I received this Texas Instrument CC2540 Bluetooth Low Energy Development Kit. This kit have three hardware components: USB dongle, which act as a master, and you can connect it to USB port. It also have key fob with two buzzers, accelerometer, and CC2540 itself as slave device. All of these run on a CR2032 battery. And this kit also have a CC debugger for programming it. So let's open it. This is a quick startup guide. And this is licensing and all. Here it is. This is the key fob. Let me cut it. The packing. Here it is. This is the buzzer, and I don't see the accelerometer. Anyway. This is the USB dongle. It is. This is the CC debugger. It comes with this cable and this connector. We have this case. It comes with a screw, so you can put a key fob inside it and screw it. CR2032 battery and this USB cable. In the next video I am going to show you how to use this whole kit for developing your applications. Thanks for watching.